How to get 2K/4K on CapCut. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Tech It's Simple. Today, in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can get 2K/4K on CapCut. So, let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that your CapCut application is up to date. Now, open your CapCut application. Once you open your CapCut application, tap on New Project and select any one of the videos. For example, I will choose this video. Finally, click on the ADD button. Once you add, on this page at the top of the screen, you can see the 180p drop-down menu. In order to get the 2K/4K on CapCut, click on it. Once you click on it, here you can see the different options in order to customize your video. Now, finally, slide the slider of resolution to the 2K/4K. Once it is done, now go back to the video. Now, simply export the video by clicking on the export button at the top of the screen. Once you click on that icon, the video will start to export on your gallery. Once the video is fully exported, you have successfully created 2K/4K resolution on CapCut. So, that's it. In this simple way, you can get 2K/4K on CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.